Hello guys, this is Yogesh and you are watching AWS. Today in this video, we will learn how to launch a AWS EC2 instance on Ubuntu operating system. Then we will see Putty and we'll connect our client desktop to our this Ubuntu server. So guys, before starting, I would request you please like and subscribe my channel. So now let's start. First of all, you have to log in AWS console. After logged in, you have to click on EC2. After clicking here, you will be redirected to EC2 console. Click on launch instance. Select the Ubuntu image. I will select here 16.04, which comes under free trial eligible. So select it. Now here choose an instance type. This is very important page because you have to choose here how much CPU, how much RAM, type of instance, storage required for your server. So all the instances are basically paid one. Only the one comes in free tier. So select it and click on next. Just leave this configuration same because you don't have to worry about network, subnet, IAM role, etc. As of now, we will study all of these later. Just let them default and click on next. Add storage. Add storage is nothing but you have to select hard disk size for your server. So as of now 30 GB is enough and click on next. This is add tags. Tag is identifier for your system. So give it a name. It's name Ubuntu test server. Click on next. Next is configure security group. Security group is all about who can access your machine from outside. So there is two options. You can create new security group, or if you already have your security group, then click on existing security group. Now I will create new one. So give it a name. Test. So here you can add rules. So for beginning, you can choose all traffic by clicking here. All traffic, or in CDR block to so let us give all traffic, or if you wish you can choose SSH only. So I'm giving all traffic because I'm not worried about security right now. Click on review the. Here you can review the things that you have configured till now. Click on launch instance. So this is key pair. If you already have key pair, then choose an existing key pair, or if you want to create new one, then click on create a new key pair. We will create here new. This is basically important to log in your instance. This key pair is nothing but a file will download in your system which will be used as private key to access this machine through your Putty client. So give it a name. new. Click on download key pair. It's downloaded, and click on launch instance. The key pair will download in your machine. Keep this key pair file securely in your machine. Basically, don't delete this file, otherwise you will not able to access your server in future. So now just click launch instance, sorry, view instance. So this is our Ubuntu test server. So your instance is coming up. The tasks are running in background. So wait 2 or 3 minutes. So to connect this, you have to download Putty. You can download Putty by simply type the download Putty in your Google Chrome. After that, you will see the Putty 32-bit or 64-bit. Then you have to select according to your operating system bits and install it. So before connecting this, you have to do one more thing, that is you have to convert your PEM file into ppk file. So you have download key pair. So that key pair is downloaded in PEM format. So to convert this PEM file into ppk, you have to use Putty. I already downloaded the Putty. So Putty, click on Putty and load the file that you have downloaded. Click on select from here, so all files. Username P. You have give it a name, Ubuntu test new. So select it. It will give a pop-up. Click on OK. Click on save private key. Now again it will give a pop-up message. Click on yes. Select here save as type all files and select your old name. Search. This was our old name. So edit it. Or you can give it a new name. Just ppk. Save it. And now click on generate. It will take 30 seconds. Now your new file will be in ppk format. Now close it and connect your server by clicking here. You can see public DNS. So you can copy your public DNS or simply click your public IP to copy. So now it's copied and open Putty. Copy here host name or IP address, public IP address. In left pane you can see categories. In categories you have to select SSH. Click on auth. Simply browse your key. So with the name new, select it and click on open simply. So now click on yes. So guys, it's all about Ubuntu server. You can log in it by the username Ubuntu. So now you can see it's connected and you can configure it according to your requirement. So guys, it's all about EC2 using Ubuntu operating system. So guys, I hope समझ आया होगा and thanks for watching video.